We all have goals. We want to be healthier, more productive, more successful. But often, our motivation fizzles out, and our goals remain unmet. Why is that? B.J. Fogg, a Stanford researcher, has cracked the code. He says that behavior happens when three elements come together at the same moment: motivation, ability, and a prompt. Motivation is your desire to do the behavior. It's the why behind your actions. But relying on motivation alone is like building a house of cards. It's unstable and can easily collapse. Ability is about having the capacity to do the behavior. It's influenced by time, money, physical effort, mental effort, and routine. The easier a behavior is, the more likely you are to do it. The prompt is the trigger that tells you to do the behavior. It could be an alarm, a notification, or even a feeling. Without a prompt, even motivated and able people won't act. B equals MAP. Behavior equals motivation, ability, and prompt. When these three align, behavior happens. Fogg's breakthrough is the concept of tiny habits. These are small, easy actions that require little effort. Start by picking a habit you want to form. The key is to make it tiny. Want to exercise more? Start with just 2 push-ups a day. Want to read more? Read 1 page of a book. Anchor your tiny habit to an existing routine. After I brush my teeth, I will do 2 push-ups. After I pour my morning coffee, I will read 1 page. When you complete your tiny habit, celebrate. A fist pump, a smile, a mental yes. This wires your brain to associate the behavior with positive emotions. Tiny habits are powerful because they're easy to do. They don't rely on willpower or motivation. Over time, they create a snowball effect, leading to bigger changes. So what tiny habit will you add to your routine? Share your plan and motivate each other in the comments below.